Hey now, welcome back to another lesson at 21st Century Bar School. Today, we're talking about bartender tools, the essential ones. Okay, so let's get right into it. The shaker tin. Super important that you have your own. I know this one intimately. I know its balance. I know when I flip it, what it's going to do. Very important to me. I get my own. This is a typical 16-ounce pint mixing glass that I'm going to be mixing a lot of cocktails in. And then with my shaker tin, obviously, I've got the ability to shake. All right? Now, after that, we've got our crystal mixing glass for those stirred cocktails. And then after that, we've got the jiggers, okay? I bring my own jiggers. This one is 3/4 ounce, 1.5 ounce. This one is 1 ounce, 2 ounce. I know exactly what they look like, how they feel, how they spin. I bring my own. Then the bar spoon, okay? Also, I bring my own. The muddler, I prefer the wooden ones. After that, we've got the wine opener, all right? The waiter's friend. I have my own one that I'm very familiar with, but I also bring several backups for the people who do forget their own. Bar knife. I like an 8-inch chef knife. Whatever it is that you prefer, bring your own. Make sure that it's sharp. How do I make it sharp? I use these very inexpensive knife sharpeners like this. Just be very careful, don't cut yourself. All right, after that, the citrus peeler or a typical potato peeler, and this one is called a channel knife. That'll give you a really nice little spiral of citrus with a simple tool like this. After that, we've got the Hawthorne strainer, all right? Different styles, but basically it's the spring, and that's to strain a cocktail off of the top of a mixing glass into the cocktail here. If you don't want any pulp or herbs or spices getting from the mixing glass into the finished cocktail, you're going to use a fine mesh strainer over the drink, and then you've got a beautiful finished cocktail. Other than that, I always bring my own cotton polishing towel. I really like these pink striped cotton ones. Microfiber doesn't do it for me. Other than that, lots of other tools that you could use, but these are the basics to get you through a normal shift in the modern day bar world. Thanks for watching. Cheers. I'm Blake. We'll see you in the next lesson.